Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up Visual Studio Code for C or C++ programming language by following the VS Code's official documentation. So let's get started. At first, make sure that you already have installed C or C++ compiler on your system. So open command prompt and type this command gcc --version compiler for C programming. Okay, if you don't have installed it on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install gcc and g++, the compiler for C or C++ programming, and then install Visual Studio Code. Okay, then open your favorite web browser and browse this URL to follow the official instruction of Visual Studio Code. At first, click on this extension button of the VS Code and then search for the extension name C or C++ and find out C or C++ extension package. Select this and install this extension. It may take a while for installing C or C++ extension pack, and this package includes C or C++ themes, CMake tool, and C or C++ extension. Okay, after installing these extensions, follow this official documentation. I am going to create a Hello World application in C programming language. At first, open command prompt and navigate to a folder where you want to store the newly created application. I am going to navigate to the desktop and then I am going to create a folder named project and then navigate to the newly created folder my projects, and then I am going to create another folder name hello world. This is the application folder in my case. Then navigate to this application folder. Okay, now I am going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code. So write code space then dot, then hit enter. Now trust the authors. Okay, now create a new file called helloworld.c or C++ inside the hello world folder. Okay, now I am going to create a simple C program that will print a message hello world. Okay, now save this file and I am going to compile and run this simple C program from Visual Studio Code. Go to the right top corner of the editor and click on this drop down icon and then select run C or C++ file and then select a debug configuration for C programming. Select this compiler gcc and here you will see the message build success, and then it will show the output in terminal hello world. And now I am going to create another new file inside this folder. I am going to name it main.cpp. Then I'm going to write a simple C++ program. Save this file, and I am going to run the C++ program. So delete this configuration file of Visual Studio Code, and then ensure you open the C++ program file, and then click on this drop down icon, then select C or C++ file, okay, and then select the compiler for C++ programming language, here G++, select and see the output on terminal. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.